I had just the shock of my life when I was scrolling through TikTok and I found one of Billionario's latest news. They were referring to somebody I know personally that I feel very, very, very passionate about. Why? It was a feeling that I knew too well because it felt like Billionario was talking about an uncle of mine. Somebody who I've known forever, somebody who I know personally, and somebody who most certainly is Filipino and not Alice Go 2.0 na buang mong tanan. Imagine my shock when I found on TikTok Karina Sanchez talking about Pagadian Mayor Sammy Co. It was the biggest shock of my morning. Literal nga naghigda pa ko ni barog jud ko. And I had to make this video because I have to talk about this. First of all, Sammy Co is a Filipino. Sammy Co was born, okay, in the Santo Niño Clinic in Pagadian City, Barangay, I think, Gatas, owned by a former mayor of Pagadian. What are you talking about? He has an older brother who is 5 years older than him, who was born in Hong Kong. And between that period and the birth of Sammy Co, his parents became naturalized Filipinos. So therefore, when your parents are naturalized Filipinos, you are a goddamn motherfucking Pinoy. You are a Bisaya madapaka. And what now? You are certainly saying that there is inconsistencies? Besh, why inconsistency, besh? Kay sa clinic, yun na siya sa Pagadian na panganak, beshi, wep. Wa po na siya kapuyo og laing lugar. Simbacolor. Tapa. Hoy! Ang angay ninyo imbestigahan sa Zamboanga del Sur is mga you. Hoy! Imagine this, ha? Ngano kailangan sila imbestigahan? If there is a contractor nga wala nakasuhi sa ICI ni Vince Dizon, kani ang mga you, beshi wep. They are a political dynasty nga giako pod ang tibuok Zamboanga del Sur. Did you know that the former governor, imagine this ha, at the last election, bisan naa pa siya one term, ninaog siya o gikalaban si Sammy Co sa Pagadian pero wala gyud niya na ibot bisan pag niabot og 15,000 ang iyahang bayad kada boto. Because to be fair and in fairness ako mga labi-dab-dab diha sa Pagadian City, dili gyud na nimo sila mabangbang anang kwarta, besh. Kay love gyud na nila ilang mayor diha, besh. Ngano love nila ilang mayor? Of course, buutan akong Tito Sammy, buutan yun siya as given yun na siya, love yun na nako siya, but of course, mas love na ko iyang asawa nga, basin makaingon mo nga, naghimo-himo ko, classmates ako mama sa college, mother ilang of them all. The same first lady nga pareha ka-aktiba sa iyang bana. Maunang mga yo, nagkabad-kabad na kay nangaguol na sila nga basin si Sammy Co mag-governor, besh, kalmahi ang pepe. Nangaguol mo no. Because Sammy Co can be any level of a public servant because he's a good one. And you're even more afraid because ang iyang asawa equally capable. Equally capable. Don't even get me started on her parents, the Fernandezes, who I love too. Katog, hilabtan ninyo, murag itong hilabtan ninyo akong lulog-lola, besh. So, mauna akong pasabot. Okay, Zamboanga del Sur. And this is to Secretary Vince Dizon of the DPWH. Where is the use in your investigation? Kay ako ra ba, napansin ako nimo, you kanang recommended a case to be filed bisan walay proof. Pero ang actual nga na ay proof, ZMS Construction that also happens to be Zamboanga Motor Supply in Pagadian City is owned by the contractor. The same contractor, ha? Nga ang asawa mo man gipadagan niya og governor nga siya nga bana, nga former governor ha, naapay isa ka term ninaog sa Pagadian City og perting pildiha. Ang iyang mga anak, anang mga you, First district o second district nga congresswoman. Mura silang mga Duterte sa Davao City. Nga gihakop pud tanan. So don't me gyud. Don't me today, tomorrow, or the next day. Because kani gyud, it's personal. Because I know them personally. Don't even get me started on their children who also I love very much. So ayaw, no. No, not you can hurt whoever else and lie about whoever else, but not somebody I know personally. And even to think, ang isa pud kakalaban sa mga you, which is, of course, kani siya ha, ang mga ko, sa side sa akong mom ni siya, nga, kaya syempre si mami and tita ilang went way back because college friends man na sila. Ang kani pong sa side sa akong dad, sa Enerio side, mausad na ang mga serialists. So Tita Au, oh my God, shout out, and Tito Tony, hi! And of course, Mayor Ace. And of course, my love, Mayor Sweet. So, muna kung pasama. Oh my God. Don't. Billionario, check. Check the news that you're putting out. Check if you are being used as political leverage of the use. Because if anything, the Philippine government should be investigating the Yu family. Okay? Kay, naarabay dili naturalized dihapon. Nga dapitan. Murabag, what you talking about? You og ko baya na beshi web. Pero sige, ako na lang palab yun kay ang kanamang bana ang questionable og kagikan. Dili man mismo ang kanang naas gobyerno. Sige na lamang, Divina. So mauna, okay? Asa man kitay na ninyo i-deport si Sammy Kobeshi? Asa man kitay na ninyo i-deport og kuan na siya Alice Go 2.0 mga beshi web. Nga kung naay mga flood control project sa Zamboanga del Sur ha, ang mga yura bagyod ang mupadungan na sa paper trail. Ayaw ko ninyo, oh my God, no. Not today, Satan, not today. And most especially, not the cause. Uy, ginoo ko, miss na kayo na ko ang Pagadian. I was there, I judged their Miss Pagadian. It was there that I met in person my Mama Carrie Santiago, and of course, the Val Taguba, the same amazing Val Taguba that made Miss Atiza Manalo's gown. And then you are going to besmirch the reputation of its mayor who I love. The mayor and the first lady who I love. Ayaw gyud mo. Oh my God. Pag gani ka nung Tony ani. Si Tony Rabalabra ba kayo na niya ng Pagadian? Don't me gyud. And wala ko naglabot-labot ani tong election. But now I gotta talk about this because mura ko ka nang na-impatso sa gihimo sa Billionario. Unsay Alice Go 2.0 mga bayot? Inyong mga researcher ba? Pag sure diha, pilay presyo. If there is anything that should be talked about in Pagadian and Zamboanga del Sur, it is their ghost motherfucking projects. Ghost projects. Because they exist in Zamboanga del Sur. So, kuwang ang inyong listahan sa pakasuhan sa ombudsman ng mga contractor because you missed the U. I repeat, Vince, Malove, Dizon, Boying, Remoyak, ombudsman, sir, you missed a U. Maura 2. Ingat!